Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a powerful fundraising tracking system in Airtable. First up, we log into our Airtable account and create a new base, selecting Fundraising from the template options. This is a great starting point, as it already includes pre-built tables, fields, and views. Remember, a base in Airtable is like a database. It's where we'll store and organize all our fundraising data. Now that we've done that, let's customize our base to suit our unique needs. We can add additional tables or fields, rename them, or delete unnecessary ones. For instance, let's add a donor table and link it to our donations table. This helps us because it allows us to track who has contributed to our cause and how much they've given. Next up, we're going to set up views. Views in Airtable are like saved filters that let us see specific parts of our data. For example, create a large donations view to quickly see who's given a significant amount. The reason we do this is to easily identify potential repeat donors and plan our fundraising strategy accordingly. Let me explain why this matters. In fundraising, every donor is crucial, but those who can contribute significantly can make a big difference. By having a large donations view, we can identify and nurture these relationships. Our final step is to automate our process. Use Airtable's automation features to send thank you emails, reminders, and updates. This not only saves us time, but also ensures our donors feel appreciated and well-informed. And there you have it, a straightforward, effective fundraising tracking system set up in Airtable. Remember, always keep your system updated and review it regularly to make sure it's serving your needs, because when you stay organized, fundraising becomes a breeze. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next one.